Hey everyone, welcome to Market Outlooks. I just want to talk about what really happened last night. Where the market opened, why there were so many gaps in the market. Gold saw a massive gap. I will be looking at the gold charts and explaining what really happened. And one of the main causes is Trump's relet tariffs. So Trump has announced a sweeping tariff on all the major European countries, about 10%, and there's an increase of another 25% from 1st of June if they don't allow him to purchase Greenland. So now it's like a bullying mood happening right now in the market. A lot of European countries are putting together a 90 billion tariff towards the US. Now, we want to see what happens really, because Trump tariff is like tackles trade. He puts the tariff out there, then he takes it back. He wants to scare people. He wants to scare countries with tariffs. So that's one of the reasons, there was a massive sell-off in futures market, which is the stock market. And, when the news came out, people weren't really prepared what could happen the next day. So that's why low positions were putting over the weekend, and they got all executed when the market opened around at 11 a.m. p.m. yesterday. So that's why we saw a massive gap in the market. Let's really jump on the gold chart here. You can see clearly gold jumped up very strongly, breaking all-time highs. Currently, gold is at all-time high again, reaching a high of 4690. Again, as long as there's issues in the market, as long as Trump keeps pushing countries, on his agenda the way he wants, other people to work, that's going to create a lot of problems around the world, because obviously not every country is going to lie around and take it anymore. They are going to push back, and when that pushback happens, it's going to reflect in the markets, and that's where we're seeing a massive buying into safety haven assets, which is gold. That's why gold is going up. Let's quickly jump onto stock market. This is stock market gapping here. Massive stock market gap in German 40, which is European market. Let's quickly look at the UK market, which is again a massive gap. Let's quickly look at US markets. Massive gaps in the market again. This is all a play to save their assets, to save their investments. So they are taking the profits out from the stock market, because if the tariff comes in from other parts of the world, it's going to affect the stock market, it's going to affect companies, and that's why a lot of big investors are taking the profits out and pushing in gold. That's why you see inverse correlation here. Gold had a gap upwards, and the assets have gapped downwards. So now we're going to keep a close eye what's happening over, but it's all the main reasons why there was such a big gaps in the market. And again, if you're looking to trade, how, if you're learning how to trade, we can always help you. Thank you.